Introduce a new variety of flavours and sides to your staple dishes with this sleek Neff built-in single oven. CircoTherm allows you to simultaneously bake and roast on up to 3 levels. Great for when you're cooking a family meal, you can crisp and roast multiple ingredients all at the same time. EasyClean gives you an energy-saving helping hand with maintaining your oven, using self-cleaning technology to provide a fast and effective cleaning service. Now you can enjoy your favourite hearty meals without the difficulty of removing tough residue after. The clip-on rail makes changing the height of the shelf easy for flexible cooking, maximising cooking space for different dishes, so you can easily cook your main meal and delicious side dishes all at the same time. With a design that allows you to cook a variety of dishes simultaneously and self-cleaning technology, you can take the stress out of cooking with this Neff built-in single oven.